Hello, trading is closed on March the 16th, 2016. Yesterday I said I was looking for a whipsaw, either today or completed soon thereafter. Let's see what the odds are it'll come true. I thought we'd start with a gap outside of the day's range. That didn't happen. We traded outside of the day's range pretty soon after the open, but I think that's a bit late for me, and I'm just going to call that one a miss. We have this 2005-22 target. Ultimate targets don't have any particular time frame, but usually you don't have to wait long. During the day, early on, MEJT gave a buy and an ultimate buy. It said that rally was false. It said we correct. It gave an ultimate buy signal right here at the low, and that worked. And now it says it's a false move, gives us a target of 2012.62, most likely to print tomorrow. Well, futures have already broken over these highs, so a lot of what I'm going to say is going to be worthless if we break over the high. But let's see what happens if we don't break over the high. We rallied all day and we could not close over the middle of the day high. In absent such a break, it's a negative pattern to go along with this lower target. If we stop here, the FOMC announcement came at 2011.89. If we stop there, we should get a whipsaw, 3 legs, and leg 2 should be further away from the point of the announcement than this one. That would give us a target of under 1992.78. We do have resistance from this 89-week moving average. And if you look at the daily chart, here's a stilt, here's a stilt, here's half a diamond. If you set your Fibonacci grid at 61.8%, there's the target right at today's high. Now, just because futures are over this high now doesn't mean that we'll open there tomorrow. But I'm still not convinced the rally's over in the longer term, intermediate term I should say. Shorter term, all we have to do is avoid taking this high out early in the day, and everything, we have enough to call for a pretty good drop. But as I said, futures are already over this, and if we do take this out, a lot of the things I showed don't really mean too much, so it's going to be important to see where we open tomorrow, and that's today's call.